Hello and welcome to an introduction to Big Blue Button. Big Blue Button is a purpose-built virtual classroom designed specifically for online learning. It offers seamless integration with your LMS, interactive tools to enhance learner engagement, and offers automatic recording and playback inside your LMS. Big Blue Button is completely browser-based. No need to download an app to join a session. Users can simply join from their browser. Screen sharing and slide presentations mean that the presenter or the teacher is able to upload their slideshow ahead of the session to be fully prepared for showing content on screen. Breakout rooms are particularly useful if you're running sessions with larger user groups and you wish for them to be able to break out into smaller groups for discussions or to run tasks. Moderator controls and role management are available to offer a completely personalised experience. One of the most popular functionality within Big Blue Button is the interactive whiteboard. This allows you to annotate and highlight specific areas on a presentation. The live chat function allows users to chat between themselves. This can be disabled if you don't wish to have this during a session. Live polling is a really great way to track learner engagement and to gauge how people are feeling, or if you want to have an idea of what their knowledge is on a particular area. Once users have completed the poll, you can publish the results for everybody to see. These are also available at the end of the Big Blue Button session for you to download. Shared notes can be really useful. These are available for all users when they are joining the session, so that you can have the opportunity for them to add their own notes. These are visible to all attendees. A timer is particularly useful if you're running an online classroom event and you're handing out tasks for people to do and you're giving them a specific time to do it. There is the option to include music, or you can simply have it quietly. At the end of a session, there are post-session analytics available, and these can be downloaded as a CSV. This would include results from polls, quizzes, and any other interactions that have happened during the session. Here are a few use cases. So instructor-led training, virtual classrooms, compliance training, onboarding programs, blended learning support, and coaching sessions. Basically, any sessions that you may have held face-to-face in the past, you can now use Big Blue Button as a great alternative to a virtual learning experience. If you wish to explore more Big Blue Button functionality, please get in touch